In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change friends list privacy settings on Facebook. We will walk through this on Android, iPhone, and computer, so you can lock things down wherever you use Facebook. On your phone, start by opening the Facebook app. Once it loads, you should land on your main feed with posts and the navigation bar. If Facebook opens to a different tab such as groups or notifications, that is fine, as long as you can see the main icons along the top or bottom. Now tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. On some phones this sits in the top right, on others it can be at the bottom right. When you tap it, you will see your profile picture, your name, and a list of shortcuts such as friends, groups, and videos. This confirms that you are in the main Facebook menu. Next, tap the settings icon that looks like a small gear. It usually appears near the top of this menu. When you tap it, the screen switches to a long list of sections like account, security, and audience and visibility. If you do not see the gear at first glance, scroll a little in the menu and it will appear. From here, scroll until you find the section called Audience and Visibility. This section controls who can see your activity and details on Facebook, for example, your posts, your profile information, and your friends list. When you see that heading on screen, you know you are getting close to the privacy options you need. Tap the option called How People Find and Contact You. The next screen shows several choices, such as who can send you friend requests and who can look you up using your email or phone number. This page is focused on how other people reach your profile, so your friends list setting sits here as well. Now tap Who can see your friends list. A new screen appears with the different audience options. You may also see a short line of text explaining that your friends section is public by default. This is Facebook reminding you that unless you change it, anyone can normally see who you are connected with. Choose your preferred audience. If you pick public, anyone on or off Facebook can view your full friends list from your profile. If you pick friends, only people you have accepted as friends can open your friends list. Only Me hides your full list from everyone else. Custom lets you include or exclude specific people where that option is available. Once you tap an audience, a check mark appears beside it. Your selection is applied automatically. There is no save button here. You can confirm it worked by going back one screen and checking the text under Who can see your friends list, which now shows the audience you chose. On a computer, open Facebook, click your profile picture, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then How People Find and Contact You, then Who can see your friends list, and choose your audience. For maximum privacy, choose Only Me. That way no one else can open the full list from your profile. Important, this does not completely hide individual friendships. People can still see mutual friends, and if someone else has their own friends list set to public, others may see that you are connected from that friend's profile page. You have now changed who can see your Facebook friends list on phone and computer, giving you more control over how visible your connections are. If this helped you lock down your friends list, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple privacy guides.